What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about water getting inside of your Tesla, the smell, the awfulness. Let's check it out.
If your 2021 to 2023 Tesla Model S or Model X is experiencing damp carpeting or a musty odor, do not replace your cabin air filters or window seals until you check the HVAC drain funnel seal. Many owners notice a wet dog or mildew smell and immediately assume they just need new filters or that they left a window cracked during a rainstorm. You might even see water dripping from under the dashboard or notice the front passenger footwell feels like a swamp. Most people jump to cleaning the carpets or spraying deodorizer, but that is just treating a symptom while a much bigger problem continues to soak your interior. The real issue is a manufacturing defect involving how the air conditioning system drains its condensation. In these specific Model S and Model X vehicles, the HVAC system is designed to channel water out of the car through a specialized drain funnel. However, because of a deviation during the manufacturing process, the gap where that funnel meets the vehicle body is wider than it was ever supposed to be. This means the seal that is supposed to keep water moving outside is not being compressed tightly enough. Instead of the water exiting the vehicle as intended, it hits that loose seal and bypasses the funnel entirely. From there, it has nowhere to go but straight into your cabin, soaking the insulation and the foam padding under your carpets. This problem is officially documented by Tesla under Service Bulletin SB 23-18005. It specifically targets the refreshed 2021 through 2023 Model S and Model X vehicles. If you have one of these cars, the manufacturer has confirmed that the compression gap of the HVAC drain funnel seal might be out of spec. When you take the car in for this, technicians aren't just looking for puddles. They are specifically instructed to inspect what is known as the sponge area, located right near that HVAC drain funnel. This sponge-like material acts like a witness mark. If it is damp or shows signs of water staining, it is a dead giveaway that the seal is failing. Even if your car is dry today, if your VIN falls within the affected range, the bulletin suggests a rework to prevent a future interior flood. The root cause is purely mechanical. When the car was assembled, the tolerance for the gap between the HVAC funnel and the bulkhead was too loose. Without proper compression, even a high-quality seal can't do its job. It's a design intent versus manufacturing reality conflict that leaves your high-end EV vulnerable to basic water ingress. If you ignore this, the risks go beyond just a bad smell. Modern Teslas are packed with electronics, many of which live behind the dashboard and center console area. Constant moisture in these areas can lead to corrosion on electrical connectors, mystery short circuits, or even the failure of critical vehicle modules. Once mold takes hold in the thick foam insulation under the carpet, it is incredibly difficult to fully remove without stripping the entire interior. Owners on forums and Reddit have reported a variety of frustrations with this. Some found out only after their car started smelling like a locker room, while others discovered it when their passenger complained about wet shoes. A common theme is the surprise that a flagship vehicle could have such a fundamental plumbing issue. Many owners initially suspected the windshield seal or a door alignment issue, only to find the culprit hidden deep behind the firewall. Fixing this is a labor-intensive process because of where the drain is located. To get to it, a technician has to perform a significant amount of disassembly. They start by removing the front trunk, or frunk assembly, along with the cowl screen. They also have to pull out the left-hand and right-hand HVAC air intake ducts just to see the drain assembly. Once the area is exposed, the repair involves a rework of the seal. The technician has to thoroughly clean the sealing surfaces to make sure the new materials bond correctly. The fix isn't just a new version of the old part. It involves applying additional sealing material, usually high-density foam strips or specialized automotive sealant, to the drain funnel. This extra material takes up the slack in that wide compression gap, ensuring that when the car is put back together, the seal is squeezed tight enough to stay watertight. After the rework is complete, a standard practice is to perform a water test. They'll run the AC or simulate heavy rain to ensure that the water is actually exiting the vehicle through the drain tube and not leaking back into the sponge area. It's a thorough process, but it's the only way to guarantee your floorboards stay dry. Now let's talk about the cost of this repair, because this is a known manufacturing deviation covered under a service bulletin. Many vehicles may still be covered under the new vehicle limited warranty. However, if you are out of warranty, you are looking at a fair amount of labor. The disassembly and reassembly of the frunk and HVAC ducts, combined with the cleaning and resealing process, usually takes about 2 to 3 hours of dedicated shop time. For a 2026 estimate at an independent repair shop charging around $95 an hour, you can expect the total to land between $320 and $450, including parts and sealant. If you take it to a Tesla service center or a high-end dealership where labor rates are closer to $145 an hour, the total cost will likely range from $480 to $650. While the parts themselves are relatively inexpensive, you are paying for the expertise and time required to tear down the front of the car without damaging the plastics or electronic sensors. Have you noticed any strange smells or dampness in your Model S or X lately? Let us know in the comments if you've dealt with this seal issue, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the fixes your car actually needs.
That is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.